Wala na eh.
How many moves is it now?
No, if there is a capture. Once there is a capture, you need to go back to first.
I know. So you have
50 moves.
50 moves again.
already. Is it 30? No, because it's again. So you're only on 9 moves.
Continue.
What the heck?
Continue.
What the heck? 30. Only got 30. Yeah. So already 50 plus 30.
Hello? No, still playing. Earlier, it's free. One more round.
Ang galing ni James.
Maybe 1 hour. 1 hour.
You won.
Seconds.
Wait.
Arrange the pieces, Pan.
Shake hands, James.
Oh, Pon, it's you and me. Draw again. How do you know how much points you have? 4. I have 1 down. Me 4 too. Hey. Yup, it's me versus Em. How much to win? If I beat Em, I win.
James. Ano masasabi mo nanalo ka sa laro? Ano masasabi mo?
Thank you, Lord. Give me a... Ano ba ito doon? Ano tawag doon?
Sino nagturo sa'yo ng mga ganong moves?
Ako lang.
Wala kang teacher?
Wala, ako lang nang isip yon.
Mag-complain yung teacher niya.
Where's...
Akala ko may teacher ka sa Pilipinas.
One ako. Ako din. Ilan pa na? Ikaw dalawa na. Ako.
Nanalo ka, Jericho? Sino nagturo sa'yo ng mga panalo mong ganun?
Dalawa lang siya.
Jericho?
Wala. Wala. Sila. Sila. Bye-bye.
Wala kang teacher sa chess?
Ako.
Wala nagtuturo sa'yo?
Wala. Ako.
Wala.
Ako pa yung panalo ko.
Ikaw, sino nagtuturo sa'yo ng chess?
Ha?
Sino nagtuturo sa'yo? Ba't ang galing mo?
Si Coach po.
Coach, ano pangalan nun?
Coach. Coach Ryan.
Coach Ryan? Pogi ba yon?
Who played here a while ago? Why did not write your name here?
Oh yeah,
Concentrate.
because we didn't have
Energy.
You don't have pencils.
Mir. Who played Mir? Mir
Ali.
Elliot.
Okay, who
He
won?
got tied.
Tied. Oh, 1 and a half.